Hey guys, and welcome back. So our topic today is a new feature on Binance, Battles. But before we get to that, if you enjoy the video, please hit a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell if you want to keep up to date with all of our brand new content. That being said, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and nothing I say here should be construed as financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now that all that's out of the way, my name is JP, the resident crypto nerd and media maker at DCP, Digital Currency Professionals. This is Crypto Corner, and our topic today, Binance Battles. So, let's answer a few questions. Number 1, battles. What are they? Number 2, how do they work? Number 3, what are some of the benefits and maybe some of the risks? And number 4, how do you get started? So, let's begin. What are battles? Well, battles is the new gamification feature on Binance that allows users to compete against each other for points. Users can predict whether they believe a price will rise or fall, and then they can basically place a bet on either long, assuming the price will rise, or short, assuming the price will fall. They will then be paired with another user who chose the opposite idea, and they will be allotted points at the end of the battle. So, number 2, how does it work? Well, Battles uses the finances in your futures wallet as a means to participate. So currently, they only offer battles in the form of Bitcoin, but users can choose their desired contract size and may leverage 20 times, 50 times, all the way up to 125 times. Once you've selected your options, users will be automatically paired with another user and the battle will begin. You can end the battle early, after about 10 seconds, or you can choose to wait the full 5 minutes. At the end, win or lose, you will be allotted points. So, number 3, what are the benefits? Well, other than the fun of competing against other Binance users and collecting your natural winnings, you will always be allotted points. Now, these points are pretty interesting, and they will allow different rewards through the app that you can see on their announcements page. Please keep up to date to their announcements page so you always know what new awards are going at the time. You'll also be allotted badges in the bronze, silver, and gold tiers, which will give you more points depending on how much you actually participate in battles. Now, number 4, how can you get started? Well, I'm going to give you a live demonstration right now. So, I'm going to go into my phone here, and I'm going to open up the Binance app. Now we're recording, going into Binance right now. So as soon as our page loads up, we're going to see on the home page here, you'll also see this on the home page on the website as well. Go to our home page here, and we're going to see right there, Battles option, which we're going to select as the 2 swords crossed. So we're going to see here BTC USD. As I said, all battles are taking place in the form of Bitcoin. And I'm an optimist, so I'm going to bet long right now, just to show you. And I've got some options here, so I can leverage 20 times, 50 times, or 125 times. I'm going to go down the middle at 50, and I've got options. I can choose the 1, the 10 coins, or the 50 in the form of 2 USD, 20 USD, 100 USD, and we're going to go long. So we've selected it, and now we're being paired, and automatically the battle begins. Now, if we can speed this video up, we can go through the entire battle, which will be great. So we'll do the full 5 minutes, and you guys can get a good sense of how a battle actually takes place over a period of time.
That was helpful. Oh, I might actually win this one.
The thing, if we had more BNB in our...
I won! Hey!
All right, let's turn it back on.
Okay, well, great.
Great, and as you guys can see, we won the battle. So when you go over the price, or if it falls under a certain price, the battle will automatically end, as you saw. So we bet long, and we won. So we can choose to battle again, or we can share our results. And I got 5 points, as you can see there, and a nice 325 Satoshis when you look at that. So we're going to share our results because we like to gloat. We're still at bronze tier, which is totally fine. And so yeah, 7 points and our win streak. So there we go. That's because I don't win very often, I'll tell you that much. Great. So that's all it is to it, guys. So you guys can get started battling today. Remember, any money that you need to have to participate in battles, it needs to be in your futures coin wallet, which actually, I'll go here just to show you where that is, just so we have that in here. So to go to your futures wallet, go to wallets, go to futures, and you don't want to be in USD, you want to be in coin. And that's where we're at. So that's any money you have in there is what you can use to go back and participate in the battles. Thanks so much, guys. And that's our video. If you made it this far, just want to thank you. And I hope you hit like, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our future content. If you want to sign up to Binance today, you can use our referral link in the description for a 10% off all trading fees. That being said, this is Crypto Corner. I'm JP, and I hope you have a great day.